All right, time for some Monday birthdays in the 4 states. We're going to start in McCune with Everly Stevie celebrating birthday number 2 with birthday hugs coming from Granny and Grampy Stevie.
And Madeline McCullough turning 3.
And we've got Colby Bauer celebrating birthday number 11 in Parsons.
Rayleigh McCart turning 12. Love from Mama, Nanny, Roland, and all of the family.
And we've got Chase McCullough celebrating birthday number 13 in Lamar. Very happy birthday, Chase.
Hunter Mapes turning 21 in Franklin, Kansas. Love from Mom and Ariel.
And over in Columbus, Cole Minor celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Cole.
Jacqueline Lynn Roy turning 43 in Crestline, Kansas. Love from Mom and Dad.
And Les Green over in Parsons celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Les.
Janet Shaden turning 61 in Elsmore, Kansas.
And we've got Pam Jacquinot celebrating birthday number 72 in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Pam.
Irene Lee turning 81 in Walnut, Kansas. Works at the Farmers Bank in Walnut for almost 45 years.
That's impressive. And we've got Kenneth Frobish celebrating birthday number 85 over in Columbus. Happy birthday, Kenneth.
And Cassie Hutcherson, who's a KOM marketing consultant.
All right, make sure you see Cassie for all of your advertising needs. We've also got Carol Stone, our neighbor in Crestline, celebrating birthday number 81 today.
Lexi Stone turning 19 at Columbus, Kansas. Kroll Stone's granddaughter.
And we've got Patty Dunnick celebrating birthday number 69, also in Columbus.
Julie Fox and Corey Pitts, 15th in Lamar, Missouri, 15th anniversary.
And Charlie Rice in Pittsburgh celebrating birthday number 39. Happy birthday wishes coming from your wife, Janet.
Mallory Mathis turned 35 in Parsons, Kansas. Happy birthday, love Mom.
And last but not least, we've got Raymond Houston celebrating birthday number 15 in Webb City. A very happy birthday and anniversary to all of those on our list. And we want to continue celebrating with you, and we know you want to celebrate with us. Amber, how do they do that?
You can submit birthdays to birthdays, that's plural, at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, keeping up with everything that's happening in the 4 states, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.